Hello, hello everybody. We're back one other time for tonight. So, just kind of heard a couple small rumbles of thunder. Nothing real serious. It's quite gray over this way to the east. To the east, not so bad here to the west. Not so bad. Not so bad here to the west. Oh, there goes some lightning. The last thing here, I'll just kind of let you all know, there goes a little bit more lightning. Um, I think it's definite that this year we're definitely going to have to kind of modify what we do for recreation during our downtime and our free time this year with the COVID-19 stuff that has taken place so far this year for 2020. You know, it's not going to be the same this year as normal. You know, like I said in the last vlog and last video we did a little while ago, about a couple hours ago, this year it's definitely going to have to take a year off from Holbrook reunion on dad's side. You know, it's just what's best for everybody, especially for the people that usually attend that come from out of town, even out of state, from 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 out of town, from 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 out of town, from from out of town, from out of town, even from out of state. And right now, the going away and spending the night somewhere is kind of, you know, is is kind of out right is kind of out for right now. Things have allowed, you know, phase two to take place. We'll see what happens with phase two in the next couple of weeks, and then see um uh, if things will allow for phase three, and then phase four after the final phase four after that. We'll, you know, you know, for right now, we just kind of got to suck it up, you know, with kind of, you know, dealing, depending on just going places for the day and day trips and stuff for now. You know, we know we'll eventually have things allow for us to go and, like, you know, spend the night or a couple of days somewhere. But for right now, just kind of got to be kind of, you know, off the table for right now till things get to the point where it's safe enough for things to allow it. That's kind of just kind of how it's got to be for now till things get to the point where it's safe enough for things to allow it. I'll continue to give you an update on where things stand in due time. All right, that's all for now.